Welcome back. If you are serious about passing ISACA's AAIA exam on your very first attempt, are exactly where you're supposed to be. In this series, we are solving not just the questions, but you're training your mind to think like an AI auditor. We'll be presenting a real scenario based question, then we'll have four options. A quick pause just to see what your options are and your guesses are, and then we'll talk step by step as to detailed reasoning why each answer is right or wrong. Alright, so are you ready? Let's dig in. Question goes like this. An IS auditor is performing an inventory audit for a manufacturing organization. Which of the following would best enable the auditor to identify the types of products without assistance from the organization staff? Natural language processing or NLP, speech modeling, robotic process automation, computer vision. Okay, let's start taking guesses. Natural language processing actually works with text, documentation, written communication, PDF, Word file, and all those kind of things, but it cannot identify anything visually or physically. So, definitely, this is not the right answer. Option B also is not right because option B is talking about speech modeling and it has no relevance to product identification during a physical audit. So there is no way that it can be the right answer. So two distractors have gone. So it is between robot process automation or computer vision. RPA automates rule-based digital tasks. It is for data entry, system workflows, and so on. It does not see, in terms of seeing or recognizing something, it doesn't do that. It operates on a structured digital input and it actually doesn't have any image recognition capability. So it will in no way help you to do this activity as asked in the question. So that's also gone. So that leaves us with computer vision, and as you know, computer vision enables the systems to analyze images. It uses the help of CCTV cameras or additional cameras. It recognizes objects. It classifies physical items. It detects and identifies visual items. It can scan shelves. It can identify product types. It can classify items by SKU. And whatever you are talking about when you are talking about from a physical verification point of view, everything else is possible. So by virtue of all of these explanations, this is the right answer. I hope you got it right. As always, subscribe, comment, and share. I would also love for you to send in some suggestions and some questions which I can take in the followings in the series which is coming up. Thank you.